Huh? Huh? Vent plug. Magnet. Yeah. So I was having a bit of an issue, and that is cable I'm doing, it's got a bit of a twist to it, and it was going in fine, it was going in no problem at all, but then coming out the back it was skipping. It was going down the side of the blade, not through the blade. So these plates here are normally what you want for you to put on the front to guide it in, but as I'm using the dial one there, instead I fitted those other ones to the back, so then it will be guided through this way and then guided out that way. Try and get it on a bit of a straight line instead of a we can all but try, eh? Well, that worked better. I got those out of it, which of course I'm going to strip to just get it down to copper. Now I've got some straighter stuff, not twisty, so let's put that through, see if it makes any difference. Got a bit more straighter stuff now, see how this behaves. That red stuff went through fine, as you saw. I think it's because it was straighter. That's fine. This white stuff is a bit like that. Let's put this through. And if I get no trouble with this, it looks like I may have cracked that wiggly wobbly problem. Cut through okay. The blade just needs to be down a bit more. I've got to be mindful of these twisty bits. Make sure they're straighter before I ram them in. Yeah, it's a learning curve. Curve's not a good choice of word, is it? To a twist, curve. What can I call it? A learning bridge. Got the twist out. I'm tasting a amount of copper in that one. Hey! I took that back guard off these thicker pieces, stopped it crumpling up in the back. Still got good copper out of that one, eh? Yeah, having a bit of fun with that, eh? Now this machine, it helps on the big stuff. It helps on the thicker stuff. Cuts through that quite well once you've got your adjustments all sorted out. It's very useful. I found it fiddly on the narrow pieces. It tends to bind up a little bit on there, but tell you what, the little pieces I probably won't even strip them. But this is where it's useful. The decent stuff like this, like the thicker stuff you saw me do, that's when it's useful, and that's the bit where it would have been hard. So yes, fun shall be had with this. What a lovely thing.